Here at DUOT, we've decided to bring our manufacturing back to the United States and local. What I mean by local is within 5 miles of our facility, where we can go and check the quality control throughout the entire process of the manufacturing of the stanchions. It allows us the ability to work hand in glove with our fabricators and our engineers, bringing the whole team together on site at one location at one time and discuss what is the best way forward to meet the customer's needs and how that's going to apply in a field environment. This allows us to conduct factory acceptance testing on site, again with our fabricators and in our own manufacturing process. The equipment goes out ready to install. First time, one shot, it's done. By doing that, we've cut down the costs, we've increased the quality of the product that we're producing for our customers.